In response to growing community concerns about youth behavior, the Ministry of Youth Development and Sports is taking action with an innovative leadership program. The new initiative was launched at the Micoud Multipurpose Center. The Rise and Lead Young Leaders program targets students from Forms 3 through 5 at Micoud Secondary School. This 90-day program is aimed at developing the next generation of leaders.
Today we're rolling out a Rise and Lead Young Leaders program. It's a 3-month program for students at the Micoud Secondary School, and the aim is to help develop character, confidence, and give them the skills to be young leaders in the school. So whatever activity, knowledge that they get here today, they will bring it into the school to encourage peer-to-peer learning and to help build a nation of children who are confident and who know what they're about. You know that with everything happening in our community, we are quick to blame the children, let's say youth rather, for things that are happening, but we want to show that the children are able and capable of delivering greatness. When we equip them with the necessary skills like communication skills, conflict resolution, it helps build their character, it helps them see things in a different light, it helps them see that I am capable of producing something that is good. I am capable of helping my peers be better, and hopefully in the next year we see that children have a different attitude and different behavior.
The program focuses on students aged 13 to 17. Law enforcement is also playing a key role in the initiative. Inspector Zachary Hippolyte from the Micoud Police Station is facilitating discussions on crucial topics. The program also spotlights the challenges posed by social media and technology.
We're just here to have a candid discussion on different topics like gangs, domestic violence, stealing, criminal record, age of criminal responsibility. We're the police, we're always happy to partner with other agencies in trying to enrich the minds of young youth, especially those that have been in trouble with the law or at least giving some problems in the school. And so far it's going good. There are lots of things they're not aware of. They're not aware of the age of criminal responsibility. They're not aware when it comes to self-defense and little stuff like that. And how your words, though you have freedom of expression, how your words could land you into trouble with the law. So we're always happy to come to these activities, especially when dealing with our youth. I'm hoping that it will impact them, because one thing we always seem to leave out when it comes to deviant behavior is the impact of social media and technology. And that is something that I brought up with them and have a discussion in being more responsible when it comes to social media.
Parents interested in learning more about the program can contact the Ministry of Youth Development and Sports. Inspector Hippolyte continues to recommend the moderation of social media consumption.
Our youth, we need to understand that the youth of today have so many challenges. They have so many challenges. Lots of things like sex and drugs and gangs and violence is literally shoved down the throat of today's youth compared to those of in the 60s and 70s. So it is very difficult when they see negativity all the time. They would see the negativity more than they would hear my positive words and voice. So it takes us, the police, it takes civil society, especially parents, to educate themselves, especially when it comes to the negative impacts of social media, internet, and all those things, the usage of these things. Because I always say, the gangs nowadays are not just meeting your children on the block, they are also speaking to them through their music, through their bad lyrical content, through images, through things like TikTok and Instagram. So parents, I am asking you, please, to be vigilant with your child's social media use.
The Rise and Lead Young Leaders program will focus on building communication skills and conflict resolution among the young participants. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.